live our lives, 'cause it's racing by. Have a toast to the time of the